Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And today we have Big Game Bucked Up Energy Peachy Passion.
Awesome.
Alright, so let's look in the important factoids on this. We got ourselves 0 sugar, 0 calories. We got ourselves not much of stuff actually. There's not a whole lot in here. B6, 25 milligrams. That's all that's got. And B12, 200 micrograms. Wow. Yeah, and like 1 gram of carbohydrate. There's like very little in this particular game. Interesting. Wow. And then caffeine content, because it's in silver, you can't read it, which makes it rather unhelpful. But if I remember correctly, I think these are only like 200 something.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's very hard to see because the sun ain't shining on the can. Also, I think it's upside down. That doesn't help either.
200-ish.
Yeah. 150 milligrams of caffeine. There we go. Now we finally saw what it was. Yeah. Very hard to see though, because the can's in silver font. That's kind of hard to be able to read. So, anyways, let's pop it open. Nice combination. And let's have a sip. Ooh, smooth.
Smooth.
Very, very smooth. That has a different peach taste. That is very, very nice. I like that. But it's very, it feels like it's very syrupy without being syrupy.
I don't know how they
Which is weird. Once again,
on this brand.
I am not sure how they did that, but it's like, it tastes like it should be loaded up with tons of sugar. But it tastes pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
For 0 calories, 0 sugar.
I got a little bit of a flat taste with it, but it's not bad. The peach taste goes a little flat. That's good.
Yeah. Like you get instant peach, and then the peach kind of goes flat after on the back of the taste buds, which is interesting.
Reminds me of the cotton candy flavor. But not the cotton candy, their gummy bear is where I got the first notes of taste, which is kind of funny.
That is interesting.
That was
wow.
Weird. Yeah.
So that's an interesting flavor. I kind of like that. That's not bad.
It's not a crazy punchy peach.
Yeah, it's a very
smooth.
Yeah, almost like kind of more candy peach.
Yeah.
Not really like fruit peach. It's more of a candied peach. Is almost
like a piece
kind of what it is. Yeah, that's flavored peach. That's almost what you're getting. And you're not really getting a whole lot of vitamins either. You only got like 25 milligrams B6, a little bit of B12. So there's not a whole lot of vitamins in there for you either. So that's kind of interesting. So, but interesting nonetheless. I'd say that's an SRT. It's not bad. Wouldn't say it's a 92, but it's definitely pretty good for what it is. So
it doesn't have a lot of junk in it. It doesn't seem like it doesn't have a lot of great.
Yeah, it's not got a bunch of vitamins in there for you either, or electrolytes. So, but taste-wise, it's definitely interesting. That's for sure. So, anyways, if you are interested in a peach-flavored candied drink known as Peach Passion, Big Game would be the one to try out, because that is an interesting flavor of peach that I've never tasted before. So, alrighty guys, that's it for us. Enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.